Start here. Expect more. This is KCEN HD News.
Tomorrow is Martin Luther King Day, and many people will. For a first check of the weather, meteorologist Troy Kimmel joins us now. Another beautiful day across Central Texas.
I don't know what we kind of save these up or something, Emily. I think for the next couple of days, really some pretty nice weather. But some changes we need to talk about. Let's go outside right now. We're looking at the Baylor Scott and White, the camera up in the Waco area, looking at the skyline. I tell you what, beautiful day across Central Texas. I don't see that much change for now, but there are changes on the way. One thing that happened today, we got a little warmer than I thought we would get. We were a little cooler this morning than I thought we'd get because some of those high clouds shifted to the south of the area. Now the headlines over the next couple of days expect a pretty stable and dry weather pattern for the area, but some changes coming up once we get into mid and late week. If you've got plans later on tonight, looking for a mostly clear sky, 51 by 9 o'clock, and first thing tomorrow morning, about 39 or 40. Emily, we'll have the latest on the 7-day forecast in just a few minutes.
Sounds good. Thank you, Troy. Still to come on KCEN HD News at 5, a 10-year-old Texas girl is showing her appreciation for law enforcement in a very special way. We'll show you how coming up a little later in the news.
Great story and great weather for a Sunday. Now let's see, a Sunday, yesterday a nice day. How much longer can this hang around? I've got your 7-day forecast. It's just ahead.
You're watching KCEN HD News Weekend with Nikki Lorenzo, Doug Curran, Chief Meteorologist Andy Anderson, and sports with Nick Canizales. KCEN HD News. Start here. Expect more.
Friends, another nice day across our Central Texas area. Abundant sunshine. But there are some changes in the 7-day forecast. We're going to talk about that in a couple of minutes. But folks, this morning down to, I saw some upper 20s around 30 in Waco and the Temple area, while at Fort Hood it was a little warmer. So I missed that a little bit yesterday. And today it's been a little warmer than I thought it would be. Officially this hour 65 at Waco. It's 68 Killeen Airport, 69 at Fort Hood this hour, about 66 up in McGregor. And now in the broader range around the area, Corsicana at 66, down in Hearn and Robertson County at 67 right now, 68 degrees in Burnett, 68 degrees around Comanche as well. Let you see the satellite pictures. Those high-level clouds I was telling you about last evening, up about 35,000 feet, they shifted to the south during the course of the day and overnight last night into today. And so our skies have been mostly clear. Very nice day across Central Texas. Some clouds to the northwest, some to the south. We're going to watch that as we go through the week because things will increasingly cloud up as we get to the latter and middle part of the week. 68 Dallas this hour, 67 in Houston, 69 degrees at San Angelo, 66 right now around El Paso. Let you see the water vapor imagery, mid and high level moisture. Watch this thing shift south overnight. Missed that. I kind of expected that to hang in overhead. It didn't, and we got a little colder, especially in the metro areas this morning. What we need to watch, though, disturbance number 2. It's out here in the northwest and western U.S. That one's going to dig south into the southwest U.S., northern Mexico in the next couple of days. As colder air comes in from the north, a front on Tuesday, we're going to get that storm system cross overhead, pull moisture on top of it. We call it overrunning. You remember all the clouds and rain we've seen the last couple of weeks? We're getting back to that, so enjoy the sunshine while we can. Let you see the future track temperature-wise. We make our way overnight and into early tomorrow morning. 10 o'clock tonight, you see temperatures mainly upper 40s. First thing tomorrow morning, MLK Day, lots of sunshine around. It'll be 39 Waco, about 40 in Temple, 38 in Hearn, about 39 degrees in the Gatesville area. And then during the day, temperatures back into the 60s, lower 60s by midday, late afternoon. We'll see temperatures in the 60s. And then first thing, I think coming up on Tuesday morning, some clouds maybe to the east and temperatures in the lower 40s across the area. So for my forecast tonight for Central Texas, 39 the low, a clear sky, high clouds. Hey, I'm going to stick with them. We call for them mainly south of the area. How about tomorrow? Up around 71, sunshine, some high clouds to the south to southwest wind picking up just a bit, up to about 8 to 15. There's cold front Tuesday. Emily, it comes through dry, but it does signal a change that we'll see colder temperatures arrive. At the same time, an upper level disturbance comes in from the west. There's your clouds and a chance of rain. Look at the highs again back in the 40s and 50s. Good news, next weekend, looking good.
More sunshine.
There you go.
Keep it coming.
We're doing it.
All right, thanks, Troy.
Yeah.
But first, you're my heroes. Those are the words of a Texas girl speaking to a room full of police officers. Her story next.
You're watching KCEN HD News. Start here. Expect more.
Well, it looks like this beautiful weather could continue for a couple of days.
Chamber of Commerce weather,
Yeah.
in fact. Beautiful weather out there. 7-day forecast, a couple of good days, just because Emily asked for it. And when we got the cold front Tuesday, we begin to cool off. Then the clouds pick up. Folks, this is what we call overrunning. This is what we've been dealing with a lot this month. We're back to the clouds, a chance of rain, highs in the 40s for the end of the week. Good news, just because Emily asked for it, sunshine again for next weekend, a little warmer temperatures.
Thank you.
Well, we tried. We aim to please the weather office.
Right. All right. Well, good deal.
Okay.
Well, that is our time. Thank you for watching. Have a great night. We'll see you back here at 10 o'clock.